going, I want everybody just to be completely silent for about 15 seconds and just listen. Just be quiet. And so, of course, you hear that water splashing, but you also hear children. And that is why today is an amazing day for the ribbon cutting at Marshall Park. And this has absolutely nothing to do with Paul Pascal. I just am your mayor right now. So this really started out with our Parks Board. It was a citizens-based community group that had a vision to redo parks in Weatherford, Texas. And they developed a master plan. And in that master plan, this was one of the parks that they wanted to redo to support the north side of Weatherford and the citizens that lived here. And then they obtained support from the city council. Curtis Tucker is here, Kevin Cleveland's here, Mayor Pro Tem Heidi Wilder is here, and they adopted that vision, and then the staff bought in, and then they did everything they could to do as much of the project as they could in-house to save your tax dollars. And then what they could, they brought in the best people that they could to finish the job. And what you have for that is a fabulous park that the citizens all over our community will enjoy. But more than anything, the citizens on the north side of this town deserve this great park. So Shannon, thank you and your staff. Sharon Hayes, James Hotop, city leadership, thank y'all so much. And council, thank y'all for your leadership. Appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you.
Well, I'm Shannon Goodman. I'm the director for Parks and Recreation. So I'm the lucky one. I get to play in the parks basically and help create these visions and be a part of what the city has for the future. And, you know, we're very fortunate because we have the support of the council, we have the support of the city manager's office, and that means everything for a city our size and growing, that they feel like this is important to have a good quality of life for our citizens. So we're really fortunate of being able to come over here to this north side of town and give them a new park. It was needed, it's been needed for a long time. And with that vision that we've set with a master plan, it's going to create a lot of opportunity to keep growing our park systems, and with the community support, we'll keep doing that. So for me, I just want to say thank y'all for coming out to this ribbon cutting, and we're going to get with the chamber and go ahead and get lined up for a ribbon cutting.
Like a ladder. Ambassadors, this way. I'm sorry. On here. You have white chicken.
We want to get everybody in the picture, so don't be shy. Come on over and join us. This is a community park, so we want to get everybody in the picture. So come on in. Ambassador, make sure you come on over as well. We want to get everyone in the picture. Come on over. And let's get all the kids moved up to the front, if we could, please. All the children moved up towards the front.
There.
Let's move all the kids up towards the front.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to squeeze in. If you're in the green space, you're probably gonna have to get onto the cement somehow, most likely. So come on in. Everyone get in. Get the kids in there.
They don't really want to go. I tried.
Get that ice cream in there. All right. There we go. That's good. I love it. Great picture. Okay. On behalf of the Weatherford Chamber, first of all, this is probably the only time you'll ever have White Sox representation at a Weatherford, Texas ribbon cutting. So thank you for that, Boo. I appreciate that. I am going to a baseball party after this, so just so you understand where I'm coming from. Anyway, but we are so grateful for this park. What a great space for the kids in our community to come and play and have a great time. So congrats to the city and to Shannon and his team and Sharon. What a great job. And we are so thankful. We have such a great relationship with the city of Weatherford. And so on behalf of the Weatherford Chamber, we just want to say congratulations. We have a certificate of commendation from Senator Ted Cruz's office. I'll give that to you here in just a second. And great job on the park. What a beautiful facility. Thank you for letting us come and cut the ribbon and celebrate this great day.
Okay, you got it? Tammy, do you have one? You got a plain one? You ready?